What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a brand new robot. This here is the Ebo SE by Enabot. A company that's made a variety of different robots similar to this, but this here is their latest generation. This here is the SE, which is designed to be a companion robot that allows you to go ahead and control it remotely and report back to you with its findings. Now, the design of it is really cute and really interesting to see, so in this episode here we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys wanted your own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so check it out. So this here is our Ebo SE by Enabot. Now they make two different versions, or the newer versions includes the Ebo Air and the Ebo SE. Now the SE is more of the base version versus the Air is more of the higher version, which includes a brushless motor, fall sensor, and then a few other kickbacks as well. But this one here should be quite well for what it is. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here is our box, showcases the robot here on the front, so it's designed to be a smart companion. Alright, so this is everything that we get. So we get our user manual, a charging block, charging station, that's kind of cool, and then you have your Ebo. So this here is our robot. First thoughts, it is quite heavy, has this almost like Sonic the Hedgehog kind of feel with this little spike coming on the back. It does just have a camera here on the front. You do see a micro SD card port on the back with a speaker. I do see the microphone on the top, and then it looks like it has almost like a track kind of setup. So it does come with a ARM Cortex A7 CPU, and then it comes with a micro SD card. So this here is a 16 gigabyte. Now in terms of the charging station, this looks really nice. I kind of liked how this is designed. So it does have an auto dock feature, meaning you can go ahead and charge itself. And then in terms of the user manual goes, it looks like it's just a pretty straightforward, nice colorful one. So let's go ahead and plug in this bad boy next and try it out. Oh. That's kind of cool. So it's got these, looks like there's like actual logos built into the screen. So let's go ahead and open up the app next and see what happens. So, I guess they have an Ebo Pro too. That's kind of cool. So we'll hit Ebo SE since that's what we're using. So it's place the QR code in front so we can go ahead and detect it. Let's try this. Am I supposed to just like...
A few moments later.
I think it worked. It finally worked! Oh my god! No, look, even comes with confetti. I can see myself. Oh, it's actually not that bad of a camera. Alright, so, wow, look at my hair. Alright, so this here is our lovely 1080p camera. Not 4K, obviously, but yes, 1080p. Actually, pretty responsive. Cool, I can control the robot. So I have a few different movements here, forward. It's actually pretty quick. It does a wheelie. And then turn. So I can turn it, see if I'm turning it towards me. Aha, see, you can go ahead and turn it. Then I think oh, it's doing donuts. What was that? Oh, so it's got a spinning function. So you got a wheelie function. All right, so that is that. Supposedly, if this robot tips over, it can go ahead and correct itself. So let's try that out. Wait, so it's got like a weight. And it'll automatically always correct itself based off of that. Look at that. I can do this all day. So a few different functions on here, so you can go ahead and talk through it. So if I hit this microphone button. Hello. How are you? That's cool. Two-way audio. So you can talk at the same time and hear back. You have your video function mode, so you can go ahead and hit record. Now it's recording. So this is currently recording this video. I got settings as well, so I can click on the top right here. I can change the speed. That was on low. 3, 2, 1, go. You have a safe stop, you have different layouts, you have an auxiliary view, and you have a haptic feedback. So let's see how if it can climb over my hand. It's not that good at climbing obstacles. So we have settings, so we have eye light, we can turn that off. You can invite members so multiple people can go ahead and use the robot at once. Alright, and another thing to look at is the smart surveillance mode. So if we click on security here, we can go ahead and add a specific location. So we can do either cruise security, so when Ebo is cruising, it'll go ahead and try to detect motions and report back to you. Or you can go ahead and add a fixed location where it'll go ahead and scan certain areas based on your preference. So if I click on fixed location, I can go ahead and pick a variety of different times, how long, how to repeat it, and what can go ahead and trigger it to go ahead and start recording that motion. So it's actually a really nice setup, and then you can go ahead and create your own location. So for instance, if I wanted just myself right here, I can go ahead and make a square, say like in this area here. So in this box here, if it detects a motion, it'll go ahead and start recording, and it'll go ahead and report back those findings to me. So one of the best things about Ebo is the fact that it has a play state, meaning this robot will go start moving around and just kind of play around. But the only way you can go ahead and stop doing that is simply by taking the robot and shaking it just like this. It'll go ahead into a pause state mode, so you can go ahead and just leave it about. I mean, the purpose of the robot is that if you're not playing with it for about a minute, it's going to go ahead and start looking for its charger. So in this case here, I have its charger right here. And once it sees its charger, it's going to go ahead and automatically charge itself on the docking stations. Oh wait, I think it's backing up. Yep, it's backing up on the charger. Look at that. Ah! Now, if you guys had any questions about Ebo, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.